In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix website not secure on Shopify. If your storefront is showing a not secure warning, it usually means your page is trying to load something over plain HTTP instead of HTTPS. Shopify provides SSL certificates automatically, but a theme or app can still call images, scripts, or styles with HTTP links. We'll add a simple rule to your theme that tells browsers to upgrade those insecure requests to HTTPS. Start by going to admin.shopify.com and sign into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Online Store. That takes you to your themes area. Find the theme you're using. To the right of the Customize button, click the three-dot icon, then choose Edit Code. This opens your theme files. In the left sidebar, open the Layout folder and select the file named theme.liquid. This file controls the overall structure of every page, including the head section where we'll add our fix. To quickly find the right spot, use the search within the editor, press Ctrl plus F on Windows or Command plus F on Mac, type head, and navigate until you locate the closing head tag. You're looking for the version with a slash at the start, which looks like this. That's the end of the header section for your pages. Place your cursor on the line directly above and add this meta tag exactly as follows. This line tells modern browsers, if a page tries to load something over HTTP, automatically upgrade it to HTTPS instead. It's a safe browser-level way to eliminate mixed content without hunting through every individual file right away. After you've added that line, click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. When it's saved, go back to your storefront and refresh the page. If you don't see the change immediately, try a hard refresh with Ctrl plus Shift plus R on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac, or open the site in a private browsing window to bypass cached files. A couple of quick tips as you verify the fix. Give it a few minutes for any theme changes to propagate. If any app or custom code is hard coding absolute HTTP links, this policy will usually handle them, but it's still a good idea to update those links to HTTPS directly in your theme or app settings for best performance. And remember, never edit outside the theme.liquid head area unless you know exactly what you're changing. That's it. Your Shopify site should now load securely without the warning. If this helped, consider subscribing for more clear, practical Shopify tips and tutorials.